Good morning, students. So, today we are going to start a new chapter named The Hack Driver. This is from our supplementary reader, and this story, The Hack Driver, is written by Sinclair Lewis. Actually, Harry Sinclair Lewis. If we talk about this writer, a famous American novelist, short story writer, and playwright, and plus he also got Nobel Prize in 1930, and he was the first one from United States to receive Nobel Prize in literature. First from United States. So this is what a short description is given about this writer, short story writer. And the hack driver, you might have understood hack means for a kind of a carriage cart with which is run with the help of a horse. So such the hack driver one who leads, one who used to operate the cart or the carriage. So such is the title, The Hack Driver. So it's a very interesting story is given. Only the major two characters. One is Oliver Lutkins, the first character, and the second one is the narrator. So two major characters are given. In between some minor characters come, but here we need to understand these two characters. So when the story starts, or in introduction itself, it is given here a young lawyer. Actually, for example, the narrator, a young lawyer, he comes to a village named New Mullion. New Mullion, the name of the village. For what? To serve summons on Oliver Lutkins, that he comes to a village. And later on, the hack driver, right? The hack driver, that he takes a round of the village with the lawyer, and in the search of Oliver Lutkins. So the question comes here: does he find him? So let us start the main content or the story of this chapter. So the narrator, he started narrating that after graduating with honors, I means here who? The narrator. After graduating with an honors, I became a junior assistant clerk in a magnificent law firm. And then he was sent, I means the narrator, then I was sent for what? Not to introduce, not to carry the legal briefs or something. Right? The narrator was sent to serve summons. Summons means, for example, court order. To give the court order or to issue a court order to a criminal or a crook. So he was sent not to prepare legal briefs, but being a lawyer, that he was expected that I would be sent for what? To prepare for a legal brief. But instead of legal brief, that he had been sent to serve summons. It means to give summons physically to a criminal, personally. And the narrator considered this work is like just like I was a chief private detective spy. So in the same manner that I had been given this kind of the work instead of legal briefs. And because of that work, the narrator, he had to go. I means the narrator, he had to go to dirty and shadowy corners of the city. Because of this work only, to serve summons, that he had to wander here and there to serve the summons, and he had to go to the dirty places and the shadowy corners of the city. But at some instances it happened, such was the situation, whenever that he went there, that time to seek out his victims, some of the larger and even self-confident victims, what they did there, or the criminals, that even they beat him up to the narrator, the larger and some self-confident criminals, that they beat the narrator. It means narrator was beaten by them. So that is the reason why the narrator, that he hated this unpleasant work. Question comes here: why did the narrator consider this work as an unpleasant work? This is the reason, because instead of preparing a legal brief, the narrator, he had to serve the summons just like a chief private detective. Second one, that he had to travel to dirty places plus shadowy corners of the city, and sometimes that he was beaten by the criminals. And so that is the reason that he hated this or he called this work as an unpleasant work. So, and because of this thing, this condition of the mind, the thought came in his mind many times that he even considered fleeing to his hometown, right, where he could have been a lawyer right away, a lawyer, and without going through this unpleasant training period, because the thought came in his mind, or he considered fleeing to the hometown instead of completing such an unpleasant training period here, because he was a newly graduated or entered the profession as a lawyer. So that is why that was his training period. So that is the reason that he had to go to the different places or the dirty places to serve summons. So the thought came that without completing this unpleasant training period, that I would have go where, to his hometown. So one day what happened? But one day, really that he rejoiced one day, when what happened? When he had been sent to 40 miles in the country, because his chief, that he sent the lawyer, it means to the narrator, to the 40 miles place in the country, to a town, small town named or called New Manian. This is the name of the town that he had been sent, and the reason was clear. Why the narrator has been sent to this small town? The reason is that to serve summons. Summons means court order. To serve summons to a person called or named Oliver Lutkins. Actually, this is the main character, Oliver Lutkins. Because why? Because the narrator and his main boss, that they needed this man, who Oliver Lutkins, in a law case, and his witness that would have solved or resettled their case quickly. So that is why so many times the narrator and his boss, that they had sent the letters, but he had ignored all the letters. So that is why narrator had been assigned this task personally or physically to go at that place and to serve the summons to Oliver Lutkins. And what is the name of the place? New Manian is the name of the place where the narrator he had to go. Right. So this is what in the first two paragraphs it is given, this description, that the narrator, being a lawyer, when he started working as an assistant clerk, that time that he hated that unpleasant work, because different reasons are there. Sometimes he was beaten by the criminals or self-confident or the larger people. So in this way, so that, and he had to go to the dirty places or the corners. So therefore the narrator, that he hated this work. But at last one day that he rejoiced, where he had been sent to such a place which was 40 miles in the country called New Mullion to serve summons to a man named Oliver Lutkins. Right? So these are the 2 paragraphs. Rest of the things that we will continue in the another video module. So that's all from me. Thank you and have a good day.